Hey there folks, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are previewing our newest listing here in Worthington Country Club. This is Unit 210 on Amberley Court. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo right around 1,200 square foot. We are on the second floor on this home. So as we come upstairs, you'll notice the engineered hardwood leading through the main areas here, but first to the right is the renovated kitchen. Here in the eating kitchen area here, you've got some extra cabinetry that was added. You've got the laundry space here, and you've got the beautiful kitchen here with the white cabinets, the quartz countertops, the stainless appliance package. And this all overlooks your great room spaces here. Now coming back towards the entry hall, you'll see how this opened up really nicely into this great room design here. And here's another shot of the renovated kitchen. Now right off the kitchen area here, this is where you're going to have your guest bedroom. So really nice guest bedroom here. Everything's light and bright. Got a nice size closet right there straight in front of us here. That is a storage closet along with your water tank. Then we have the guest bath here with the singular sink, the commode, as well as the combination tub and shower there. So right back to the great room, you've got a nice little dinette area here, and that leads to all of your living spaces here. Everything's really nice and open. And then towards the back here, this is where your owner's retreat will be. That's a king-size bed there for perspective, so you have a nice space here. You also have plenty of light, as well as sliders going out to your rear lanai area. Then we have the owner's bathroom here with the singular sink, again with the white cabinets and the quartz countertops. Really nice size walk-in closet here. You've got another closet right here. And then here you have a newly renovated shower in this unit, which is really nice with the barn-style glass doors there. Now last but not least, we have the views here from the home. So out of your lanai here, you have a beautiful view of the golf course, the lake, and we do face easterly, so you're going to have beautiful sunrises from your lanai. Alright folks, so if you are interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.